Okay, having a look at the last two questions of the multi-choice paper for 2023 for maths methods. So question 9, we were integrating between 0 and 3 of pi sine pi on 3x. So when we integrate, we are bringing out that coefficient, dividing by that. So we've got our negative pi on 3, our sine goes to cos, and it becomes a negative, and our pi on 3x stays the same. So then when we've got pi divided by pi on 3, that's the same as negative 3, because we've got a negative there. Negative 3 cos pi on 3x. So then we're subbing in our 3 and our 0 there. So when we sub in 3, our pi on 3 times 3 is just going to be pi. Negative 3 cos pi is negative 1. Negative 3 times negative 1 gives us positive 3. When we sub in our 0, cos of 0, because pi on 3 times 0 is going to be 0, cos of 0 is going to give us 1. So negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Positive 3 take negative 3 is going to give us positive 6 as our answer, which is B. And our last question, we are looking for the probability between 0 and a half, and we've been given the probability density function. So we just have to integrate the 1 plus y between 0 and a half there. So we've got 1 plus y. So when we integrate the 1, obviously we're going to get a y. When we integrate the y, we've got y squared on 2. And we're going between 0 and a half. So when we sub in the half, we're going to get a half plus a half squared on 2. And then we're taking away 0 plus 0 squared on 2. So taking away 0. So we get a half plus, now a half squared is going to be a quarter over 2, taking away 0. So we've got a half plus, now a quarter divided by 2 is going to be 1/8. And a half is the same as 4/8 plus 1/8 is going to be equal to 5/8 as our answer, which is C. Okay, that brings us to the end of the multi-choice questions. Check out my other video for questions 1 to 8.